To enable DigitalOcean managed MongoDB, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the control panel. From the top navigation menu, click on the Marketplace tab and search for MongoDB. Click on the MongoDB result to view the details page. Then click the Create MongoDB Cluster button. On the Create Cluster page, choose your desired cluster configuration, including the data center, node size, and number of nodes. You can also choose to add a database user and set up an IP whitelist for security. Once you have configured your cluster settings, click the Create Cluster button to create your new MongoDB cluster. After your cluster is created, you can view its details, including the connection string and any database users you created. You can use the connection string to connect to your MongoDB cluster from your application. To manage your MongoDB cluster, click on the Databases tab and select your MongoDB cluster from the list. From the Database Details page, you can view metrics, scale your cluster, and manage database users. To connect to your MongoDB cluster from the command line, use the Mongo shell command with the connection string provided on the Database Details page. Replace the username, password, and hostname with the values from your connection string. Best practices for using DigitalOcean managed MongoDB include regularly backing up your data, monitoring your cluster metrics, and scaling your cluster as needed to ensure optimal performance. You should also use a secure connection string and limit access to your cluster using the IP whitelist by following these steps and best practices. You can easily enable and manage a DigitalOcean managed MongoDB cluster for your application.